Electrotherm is producing mini steel mills and exporting a lot to many countries. We are contributing almost 65% of the national steel is being produced through furnaces supplied by Electrotherm. And we are recognized as the most preferred turnkey mini mill supplier world over in Saudi Arabia, in Turkey, in Iran. Electrotherm has been a front leader for supplying the complete turnkey projects for steel. So Electrotherm has been always innovating products for the steel industry to make it more viable, to make the steel more economical and good quality steel, not only just production of steel but good quality of steel. We started making continuous casting machine. We also started making direct rolling of hot billet into the rolling, so that you can bring down your production cost for rebars. Now, there was a big demand or a big crisis situation when we have to meet out the BIS norms, and in order to meet out these BIS norms, there was a refining equipment which was required, and refining equipment for dephosphorization also. So Electrotherm designed and developed this equipment and now has launched this equipment which will conform to the quality requirements of BIS standard. So Electrotherm has been an equipment producer but also has an experience and expertise of operational of a steel mill. So we have a steel mill which is also producing about 220,000 tons of rebars, and also we have a ductile iron pipe plant where we are making ductile iron pipe. So we have both expertise, not only as an equipment supplier but also as an operational, and understand this requirement of the market very well. LDFOS basically is a refining equipment for dephosphorization. Up till now, world over, you can see a lot of refining equipments, but they have been mainly for desulfurization. There has been no equipment which is singularly catering to the requirement of dephosphorization. So when there are certain norms which restricts the use of phosphorus, and it becomes imperative, you have to use an equipment which can do dephosphorization also. Unfortunately, a lot of iron ore mines in India have high sulfur and high phosphorus in it. So when they produce sponge iron, and which is again melted in the induction furnace, the liquid steel melted or made through induction furnace contains high sulfur and phosphorus. Now this high sulfur and phosphorus could not be removed through induction furnace process itself. So there was an urgent and immediate need of a refining equipment through which this sulfur and phosphorus could be removed. Now we took up this challenge and made this equipment for removing both sulfur and phosphorus in a single equipment, and now it is going to be a part of almost you can say all secondary steel producers through induction furnace route. Total capacity wise, if you see, they are producing about 25 million tons of steel, which is a big number, and almost 2,500 units, number of units are operational for induction furnaces. So it's a good number, and the production of steel is also very high, and the capacity is also increasing. But if these norms are implemented, then there will be if there is no refining unit, then there will be negative impact on the total industry. The company's growth, you see, in 2012-2013 we did almost 90% year-on-year growth, which was we did a turnover of 400 crores, and previous to that we had about 252 crores, and this year we are eyeing 550 crores of turnover. Products we have is we are doing turnkey projects of mini steel mills. We are doing several turnkey projects in Saudi Arabia, in Iran, in Africa, in Sudan. We are also producing induction melting furnaces for catering to the domestic market, then continuous casting machines, then sponge iron plants, then we are also doing foundry equipments. We are also doing equipments for induction heating and hardening application, which is based for automobile or different applications. So we're doing target. If you see, we like currently we're doing orders worth about 22 to 24 crores of this equipment, and we are eyeing a market of about 250 crores in the next 3 to 4 years.